Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 favorite lazy mom hacks just for Christmas. My first lazy mom hack is to get your elf on the shelf to help you declutter. I have a free printable sign that you can download and print off that encourages your children to fill a basket with donations. This is the best time of year to donate gently used clothing and kids' toys, and the reason is a lot of parents are shopping at thrift stores. I know when we first got married and had little ones, we bought secondhand gifts for our kids when we had to, and there is no shame in that. So declutter your home and give at the same time by getting your elf to help. Now you may have children that are reluctant to let go. I get it, mine are too. So here's a quick tip. Go through and find things that you know that they're not playing with, fill the basket, and then ask your kids to go through it and have, the final say. They're gonna feel like they have power over their stuff, and it's so much easier for them to go through and decide what they wanna keep as opposed to making them decide what they wanna let go of. Trust me, this definitely works. So again, get that free printable, get your elf involved, and declutter right now. My next lazy mom hack is cheater cookie decorating. It's like a tradition at Christmas, you decorate cookies, but who has time for that? Like legit, I don't have time for that. So I buy the pre-made cookie dough, stop judging me, and I take icing and I use Ziploc bags. I add some food coloring so there's lots of different colors, and then cut a small hole so kids can squeeze out and decorate the cookies. Lots of sprinkles. It takes like 5 minutes to put this together, but you're an awesome mom creating wonderful Christmas memories. If you're going to a Christmas party and you have to bring something, a quick tip is to cut brownies into little Christmas tree shapes by cutting the squares in half, shoving a candy cane up the bottom, and putting some sprinkles on top. It looks like you've made adorable Christmas trees, you guys. So simple, so fast, and it's a super lazy mom hack. You gotta try it. My next tip is having a little present opener hack. This is actually a wine bottle holder. I wish there was wine in it, but there is not. But there is something almost equally as awesome. So let me just... Oh my God, I almost gouged myself. It's coming. It's a seam ripper from the dollar store. You know those gifts that you get at Christmas for your kids, those toys that are locked down like it's the freaking Fort Knox with those little zip ties that are impossible to cut with scissors? A dollar store seam ripper will quickly snap them so your kids can actually get to the toys. And inside I also have things like screwdrivers to open up the battery pack and lots of extra batteries, because your kids are gonna want you to open the stuff that they get, and if you're traveling, pop one of these in your purse so you're ready. You're ready for the gift opening stuff. What? My next lazy mom hack is a Santa sack. So in love with this thing. I picked it up at the dollar store, just attached a picture of my kid, and Santa in this house doesn't wrap gifts because he makes them in his workshop, but usually just kind of lays them on the fireplace. But now we can lay out our Santa sacks on Christmas Eve and he can fill them up. I love this idea because it's all the Santa gifts plus the stocking stuff together, and the best part is on the back with a Sharpie, every year we can write the date and all of the things that Santa brought, so we can reuse it year after year and have it be a little memento too. I'm loving the Santa sack idea. No wrapping, quick and easy, and also a sweet memory maker. My last Christmas hack makes Christmas movie night so much more special in about 5 minutes. You need to make Christmas popcorn. Simply cook some microwave popcorn, melt in the microwave some white chocolate chips, drizzle it over top, add sprinkles or different Christmas candy on top, and your kids are going to go crazy for this treat. It makes Christmas movie night a little more special without a lot of effort, which is what Christmas is all about for me. I need shortcuts here. They will remember your Christmas popcorn for years, and you get to sit and watch a movie. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I would love to hear some of your favorite lazy mom Christmas hacks in the comments below. I'll see you next time. So thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I have a sort of Christmas story for you, except it has nothing to do with Christmas, but it happened at Christmas time, and here is my disclaimer. This story involves boobs. So, my parents live pretty far away. They live like an hour and 20-minute drive in the middle of nowhere, far away. So on the way home from visiting them around the holidays, I was bringing my newborn daughter Izzy back with me, and it was the middle of the night and it was dark and we were on like some deserted road, and she started screaming because she needed to be fed. And I knew she wasn't gonna last the whole hour, or I wasn't gonna last the whole hour. So I pulled over, climbed in the back of the minivan, and took her out of her car seat, and I was feeding her. I was breastfeeding her. And all of a sudden, I heard like this pounding on the door of the minivan, which scared the bejeebus out of me. I basically dropped the baby. I didn't drop the baby. I just opened the door to see, the sliding door, and it was shining flashlights in my eyes. It was cops. It was police officers who had seen me just parked on the side of the road in a snowy snowstorm and were coming to like rescue me or whatever. And instead I got flashlights in the eyes. They got flashlights in their eyes because I had taken my shirt off to feed the baby. And I was just standing there, sitting there in all my glory. And they took one look at my face, and then my friends, my girls, and they literally booked it back to the cop car. They looked at each other, booked it back to the cop car, and sped away. So that's what happened on a nice snowy Christmas night. Thought I'd share that with you. I don't know why. Listen, I'm out of stories, people. I'm out of stories. I had to share that one with you. And it was really mortifying. So I never, ever, ever pulled over to breastfeed ever again because it was freaking traumatizing for the cops and me. I'll see you guys next time.